Okay, now we'll discuss about the data differentiation. As the data gets older, their properties change, which means their access rate is decreased and the size gets bigger and bigger. We call it cold data. But whereas the data that is most recent and has high access rate, we call it hot data. Then why do we call them hot data and cold data? Hot data literally means that the data that requires fast performance of real-time processing, as the access rate is significantly high, but whereas the cold data literally means the data that needs historical data storage, as the access rate is significantly low. So the question is it really reasonable to manage hot data and cold data together? It is definitely no. It is not efficient to manage two different types of data with one same method. So it is necessary to separate hot data and cold data for optimized processing. Then how are we going to manage them separately? This is how to manage them separately. As you can see, the data that has high access rates are managed from memory DBMS, and the data that has low access rates are managed from the disk DBMS. However, as the data is separated into two different DBMSs, the data movement is required. For example, when we need to process the old data stored in a disk with a high performance, we need to move the data into memory DBMS, okay, for the high speed of data processing. The second case would be the data from memory. When data from memory DBMS gets older and their access rate is decreased, we need to move them to a disk DBMS. Okay, so we put hot data in memory DBMS and the cold data into disk DBMS. Okay, just for your information, currently one of our customers is actually using this architecture by using Altibase HDB as a memory DBMS only and disk DBMS from other company. Okay, so we have just looked at how data differentiation was processed. Now we're going to look at what effect does data differentiation bring. So when in-memory DBMS and disk DBMS are used simultaneously, the cost of DBA, application, resource, and the maintenance would be double. And because they are using two different DBMSs, the data has to be synchronized. So there's a data synchronization issue between two databases. However, when hybrid DBMS is used, all those costs are reduced by 50%. Okay. The application codes would be a lot simpler for the connection type and so on. And the DBA only need to manage one DBMS only. Okay. The resource and maintenance as well. Therefore, when hybrid DBMS is used, where in-memory DBMS and disk DBMS is combined together, the efficiency will be optimized.